Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer, backup and restore your WhatsApp. So just visit this URL mobiletransfer.wondershare.com WhatsApp transfer backup restore.html. So just download this free software to your Windows 10, 11, 8 or 7, and also this software will work in Mac. And you can see the features for this software. Transfer WhatsApp between two devices running Android or iOS. Backup WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, attachments and more to the computer. Restore your WhatsApp app backup to devices. Support WhatsApp Business and Viber, Line, Kik and WeChat. Export WhatsApp messaging from computer to PDF or HTML. So download and try, and you can easily using this software transfer, backup or restore your WhatsApp. So thanks for watching, and please download this software and comment this software is useful for you or not.